Hello everyone, I am Nirupa Kujur, a trainee of Celebrity Tarai B.Ed College, second semester. My method subject is English. Today I would like to tell a poem which is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, and the poem name is The Vagabond, and it is taken from class 7, lesson number 6, and it is of West Bengal board. First of all, I would like to tell about the poet. Robert Louis Stevenson, he was born on 1850 and died on 1894, was a Scottish poet, novelist, and a traveller writer. His famous works include Treasure Island, Kidnapped, and The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So, this is about a poem. First of all, I would like to tell about the title of a poem, The Vagabond. Vagabond means a wanderer, traveller who is traveling from one place to another place, who is not having any job. He is jobless, as his work is to travel from one place to other place. So this is the meaning of a title. So now I would like to read a poem. The Vagabond. Give to me the life I love, let the life go by me. Give the jolly heaven above and the byway near me. Bed in the bush with stars to see, bread I dip in the river. There's the life for a man like me, there's the life forever. Let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be o'er me. Give the face of earth around and the road before me. Wealth I seek, not hope, nor love, nor a friend to know me. And all I seek the heaven above and the road below me. Or let autumn fall on me, where afield I linger, silencing the bird on tree, biting the blue finger. White as milk the frosty field, warm the fireside heaven. Not to autumn will I yield, not to winter even. So it has 4 stanza, and the last, that is 4th stanza, it is repetition of a 2nd stanza. Let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be o'er me, keep the face of earth around and the road before me. Wealth I seek, not hope, nor love, nor a friend to know me. All I seek the heaven above and the road below me. So this was the poem. So let's start. In 1st stanza, the poet is telling, give to me the life I love, let the life go by me. The vagabond, who is a traveller, who is telling that he wants a life which he loves. Let the life go by me. Life means rest of others. Means he wants to live a life. He do not want a luxurious life. Leaving everything, he loves what he wants, that he needs, and he is telling that let the life go by me. Give the jolly heaven above and the byway near me. Means the happiness that should be in above the heaven and the byway near me. And he is the traveller, so he want a way where the people do not work, only he will work to that way. That's why he is telling that byway near me. Byway means it is a road where people do not work, as only vagabond, that is traveller, he want to walk to the to that way. Bed in the bush with stars to see, bread I dip in the river. So he do not want comfortable, as he want a bed in a bush so that he can see to the stars. Bread I dip in the river, and he do not want a delicious food also. He want just a bread and a water from a river so that he can dip the bread. There's the life for a man like me, there's the life forever. He is telling that all these things I want because the vagabond has this kind of life like me, and this is the life for me forever. This was the explanation of 1st stanza. Now 2nd stanza, let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be o'er me. Give the face of earth around and the roads before me. Let the blow fall soon or late. Blow, he is talking about the death. No matter the death comes soon or late, let what will be over me. I am ready always to face it, whether it is the death is near me or it is far away, or it is soon or late. I am always ready. Give the face of earth around and the road before me, and the earth which has all the natural things, and the road where he is walking, that he is facing before him. Wealth I seek not, hope nor love, nor a friend to know me. And he do not want money or property, and he don't like to have a hope or a love, or he do not want a friend also, because if he find a friend or a friend or wealth, that means he has to stop. And the vagabond, the person, he is not like that. He is a person walking towards one place to other place, so he do not want any property or money, love or a hope or a friend. All I seek the heaven above, that should be all in a heaven, that in above the heaven, and the road below me. Only he want the road should be in front of me or below him. So this was the second stanza. Third stanza, or let autumn fall on me, where a field I linger, silencing the bird on tree, biting the blue finger. The vagabond tells that let the autumn is a season where all leaves are falling down, so tree do not have leaves. Whether that autumn comes or where a field I linger means a place, silencing the bird on tree, biting the blue finger. Whether the autumn season comes, the leaves fall on him, with the natural things, that is the leaves falls on him, then he can linger for a some time. Linger means he can stay in a place for some time, silencing the bird on tree. And after autumn there is a season of winter, and in winter time the birds, due to cold, the birds they do not sing, they keep on silent on a tree, biting the blue finger. In a cold, it's like a biting the blue finger. White as meal the frosty field, warm the fireside heaven, not to autumn will I yield, not to winter even. And the after autumn there is a season of winter time, as in winter time the places or natural things is covered with a white snow or a white ice, and that it looks like a meal, something to eat, like a food, and it is a frosty field. It is in the every places, warm the fireside heaven, and in that time the people inside the house, they can fire a side in a as a heaven. Nor to autumn will I yield, not to winter even. The vagabond is telling, let autumn or a winter come, but my life is like this. I will walk towards my way as the vagabond has its way. So this is the explanation of third stanza, and the last stanza, which is the repetition of a second stanza. Let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be o'er me, give the face of earth around and the road before me. Wealth I seek not, hope nor love, nor a friend to know me. All I seek the heaven above and the road below me. That means he has repeated, the poet has repeated this stanza, same stanza, that is second stanza, in a fourth one, as to remind that vagabond has a life of without any wealth, or he don't bother with hope or love or a friend. Only he can see the natural things and goes on to his way, and he never bothered that his death comes late or soon, and he behaves as a vagabond, and he wants only the road should be below him. So the poet has repeated this stanza 2 times in a last stanza. So this was the poem. So from this poem we can get a message by Robert that a vagabond refers to that traveler who always wanted to leave a natural life, without any luxurious life or any melodious things should be happen to him, or he is not in a search of a beautiful life. Whatever he is having, that he is connecting with the natural things and he is leading his life. So these things we get from this poem The Vagabond by Robert Louis Stevenson. Thank you.